today we're going to be showing you guys how to make slime bubbles. In the other video, we were playing with slime, but Leo just made a huge slime bubble. That is a slime bubble. So we're going to be showing you guys, stop Holly. So we're going to be showing you guys how we make them.
And
and
your
please
ultra
subscribe.
rare, no, pretend you said, your ultra rare cousin is somebody that you don't know.
No, you don't tell.
Hey!
You can't. This is Charlie. She's my cousin.
Yep, and I made this.
She made a slime smoothie.
And I'm Scarlett's favorite cousin.
You guys are both my favorite cousins. You guys are both my first favorite cousins.
I know, but you like me better than Charlie, right?
I like both of you.
I know.
I like both of you the same height.
Scarlett, look. That's what you get.
Okay, stop.
You said
So guys,
that's
this is what you have to do. Oh guys, make sure to subscribe, please. What you gotta do is just spread it out, lay it out, and then you gotta spread it until it's see-through enough. Yeah. Then you pull it up like this, and then here's your bubble.
Yeah, but guys, guess what? We fell asleep whenever we were awake, trying to stay awake all night. And guess what? We accidentally passed out.
But we woke up, but I think Layla was slept in the morning. Now, I am going to do it again, so you don't forget.
Don't tell her names.
Yes, I can, but I can't tell their last names. I can only tell their first names. Let's just run with the video. So I'm going to do it one more time so you don't forget. It wasn't much of a big bubble.
Yeah, but if you stretch it out really big, like super
I'm going to scoot this back a little so you can see better. What you gotta do is you gotta squeeze it. Oh, Layla made a bubble. And then you gotta spread it and then lay it out. You gotta spread the sides and the bottom and the top. And then once it's spread out enough and it's see-through, then you gotta take it, boom, your bubble. So Layla's going to show you. Layla is going to make a bubble. Wait, Layla, you gotta start over.
Hold on.
I'm showing them.
So satisfying.
Satisfying. That's how she said satisfying. Just say satisfying so they don't get confused. It's so satisfying. Now, she is going to show you how she does it.
Hold on.
Wait, she got crumbled back up again. There's like a little bubble right here. She's going to spread it out. And then she grabs the top and then slams it. Okay, my turn. So I am going to roll it up like this. Hold on, wait. Like this? Yeah, like that.
The ball.
But move, I'm trying to do it.
Turn it into a ball, then strip.
But your arm was on me. I couldn't do it if your arm was on me.
No, it wasn't. I'm trying to make you a hairstyle. What's wrong with hairstyle?
So you gotta spread it out, lay it out. Leia's going to be copying me. Okay, once it,
Here.
then I'm going to spread the middle out,
Wait,
and then the bottom. And then you gotta, Charlie stop, I'm making you a video. And then you gotta pull it up, your bubble. And then if you want to stop the bubble, you're gonna have to fold it over for the bubble to stop. And Charlie is making a hairstyle slime for her cup. Show them. Oh my gosh. Look what Charlie's doing. And I'm going to do it a few times. Step 1, hold it until the bottom gets to the ground. Step 2, lean it out.
Wait, hear his voice.
Wait, I'm trying to do it in the YouTube video. Bubble. And then you have your bubble. Pop. There's like a huge bubble right here, and I just popped it. And now there's Layla's making a bubble with me. A huge bubble.
Scarlet, look.
Do not pop it at all.
I'm gonna touch.
No, you're not pop it. Just be careful, okay? I'm spreading it.
Thank you for the hairstyle, Scarlet.
You're not Scarlet. I'm Scarlet, and you're Charlie.
Oh, thank you for the hairstyle. Aw, Charlie. I don't know your name yet because your name's not Charlie. Your name is Violet. Hi, Violet. My name is not Violet. My name is Charlie. Then why'd you call yourself Violet? Whenever you said your name was Charlie. Well, this cup girl said my name is Violet and my name is not Violet. Show them viewers, quick.
Oh. Don't pop it! Don't pop it, Charlie! Stop popping it, Charlie! Charlie, stop popping it. She'll get mad. Charlie, don't do it. Guys, stop.
Ow!
Guys, stop.
Okay, that's it. Grab her slime. Scarlet, you got just slime. Here, I'll help. Oh no, my slime hair. It's too gone. Sorry, my slime hair just got on you.
Darn it.
Here, I'll get some more.
Oh my God, it's gonna be super
Take your
hot.
shirt off.
No. The viewers will see.
Then it will just say. It's my phone.
Hit her
What
phone
happened to these
charger.
things?
A river got slime on it.
So y'all are not allowed to sit in these seats?
No, we are, but
No.
it was.
No, don't sit in them.
She
until
told
these
us
come
not
out.
to get any slime on the chairs.
Yeah.
So don't touch these. Look, you're getting slime on it. See the glitter? Don't touch these chairs at all. They're off limits. Don't touch them. Don't sit in them. Don't use them. Okay?
I think they already did.
I know. You can see that this is getting glitter on them. So that stuff's got glitter on it. These
Can I
chairs.
sit in river? I can't. No.
No.
It's kind of too small for you.
Yeah.
How did you do that?
You gotta spread it out like this. This is how you do it.
Then it.
And then you pick up the top.
It didn't work.
Have you ever done it before, Scarlett?
Yeah. I made a big bubble once. And I'm making a YouTube video about how to make a slime bubble. Whoa! Layla, I kept making really big ones.
Yeah, but Charlie kept on popping them. I told her to.
Let's not put the slime up here. Let's keep it all on the table.
Yeah.
That stuff's a mess. You guys gotta remember that stuff's like a huge mess.
I know.
Not you.
What's the green sign on it? What's the green sign on here?
What does it say?
I don't know.
You can't read.
She can.
It just says, this inspires kids to create.
Yeah.
Charlie.
I'm
Charlie did
super
it.
hungry because.
Doesn't mean you can have 5 chocolates.
Yikes.
You might have cavities if you have that much candy.
How about my teeth at night? What
I
about
know,
morning?
But you might get cavities. And nobody likes cavities. Do they? If you don't like cavities, don't.
Yikes. Ooh, Salmon Cat. You know, I didn't mess my teeth. Guys, guess what? We're watching Salmon Cat.
Yeah. And it's Layla and Charlie's favorite show on Netflix.
But do you like it now?
Yeah, kinda.
Whoa!
How come you never let Charlie pop it? Look at mine!
Okay, mine is picking right up.
You're going to drip it on my slime, watch.
Oh my gosh, can I touch it?
Be careful.
Oh, crap.
It's stuck.
Oh my gosh.
Gink it. It popped. My bubble popped.
I've got bad news for you guys.
What?
You're kidding.
Nope. Where's Charlie?
I don't know.
I think she went to the bathroom.
I got bad news for you guys.
What?
Look at that.
I know.
I made a big one.
Hey, you guys are stuck staying the night here again. Y'all have
I know.
to spend the night.
She knows.
That
She's
means y'all have to
excited.
like
Stay here forever.
be here forever, yeah.
Yes.
You're gonna move in.
Okay, I'm
But
gonna
there-
get my stuff.
Better get
She's
everything.
going to move in all her stuff. Daddy, she's going to move in all her stuff when she gets home to her old house.
Aww, it popped.
But Daddy, watch. I'm going to make a big one.
Wait. When does River is done with her nap time?
Whenever she wakes up, like sometimes 2-3 hours, so it could be like another hour.
Okay. Wait, it's been an hour?
Since he put her in her crib.
She went down at about 2 o'clock, so it's been an hour and 15 minutes.
I think it's from all that hide and seek.
Just running and
Mom,
playing, gets her tired.
Dad, watch. I'm going to make a bubble. Dad.
Ooh,
Aww.
this one. That's it.
I just popped it. Charlie, I don't think you're doing it right. I'll help you. Do you want me to help you?
Charlie made a giant heart.
Yeah. Do you want me to help you, Charlie?
I'm gonna sit.
Charlie, I'm going to help you.
I'm gonna sit.
Hey, no, what did I say about that chair? Do you need to go to timeout?
No, I just.
Well, then y'all shouldn't have got it so damn
Charlie, I'm
late.
going to help you.
No, how did we get?
Charlie, can I help
You
you?
don't get in the chair. It doesn't have a cover on it, and y'all are playing
Hey,
with
Charlie,
it.
I'm going to help you, okay?
Yeah, and it's really sticky.
If you want to sit down, you should talk to the scrubber.
She can sit in the middle. There's like a little.
There's a little room next to me. She
Wait,
can sit
Scarlett,
there.
can you move your phone like right there so they can both see us?
Okay, so guys, I just helped Charlie make her own bubble. Now slam it on. It didn't work for her because, well, look at mine. Daddy,
I found two bubbles.
Dad, look at mine.
Can I pop it, please?
No thanks. No.
Aww.
Fine, I'll let you pop it. I just gotta make another one. Real quick.
But the YouTuber we're gonna send for the slime is. I don't know.
Hey, what are you doing with the crayons? Are you done with slime? Charlie?
I'm just drawing.
Are you done with your slime then?
I'm,
Hey, are you done with slime?
Okay, Charlie,
Then
can
come
you
put it
pop
in the
it?
bucket.
can I have it?
Yeah, you can have it. She's not playing with it.
Okay, I'm coming get it. Okay, I'm
Charlie, I
making
could-
a heart.
Wait, no, Charlie wants to make a heart.
Okay.
Charlie, I couldn't make your bubble. She wants to take your slime, I think. She wants to take your slime.
No. You can sit in the middle. Go.
You
Go
can
into
sit in
the
the middle. Charlie wants to sit with me.
Go into the middle. Wait, can I go in the middle and Charlie go sit at the end?
Charlie, come here, Charlie. I'm going to fix this chair so you can sit in it.
Yeah.
But she wants to.
In the video.
Make sure it stays covered up.
Charlie, go and sit over there, okay?
Come here, Charlie.
Okay. Now we are going to.
Make sure that it stays on the table.
Charlie, you can pop it.
And don't let her
Charlie,
touch
pop
this
it.
chair.
Pop it. Oh, crap. I wonder why I keep.
You don't say crap, you say crap-a-doodle.
You say
Crap-a-doodle.
It's like noodles, but crap-a-doodle.
Oh!
Stop.
Charlie, whenever we say you can pop it, that means you can pop it.
But when we say don't.
Yeah, whenever we don't say anything, that means don't.
But if we say you can, then you can.
Okay? Pop yours. No!
If I can make a big one, I'll let you pop it.
Not too big.
Not too big.
I'm gonna make mine tiny.
Pop it. Pop it. You popped it. Whoa. Oh, that scared me. I'm really sorry, guys.
I have to say. Hey, stop popping them! Whenever we don't say anything, don't pop it.
But when we say you can pop pop it?
That means you can pop it.
Charlie,
We're
this
trying
is
to
how you do it. Charlie, this is how you do it. You spread the middle, the top, and the bottom.
You actually spread the top first, like this.
I know. Go. Now spread the middle out and then the bottom. So guys, this is Charlie's first time.
Oh my god!
She just made a huge slime bubble. Don't let Charlie pop it.
But I want to.
No! I'll let you pop mine if I make one. Wait.
Yeah. Just get it up.
I made a human.
Ariana Grande?
Yeah.
Right there?
Yeah. It's Ariana Grande.
And I love Ariana Grande.
We love her songs. My favorite one is
Yeah,
Submarine.
but she's wearing a wig.
Yeah, she's wearing a wig.
Is that
Try. I'm going to see if I can make a huge bubble. Then you can pop it.
Is voice.
No, she's not.
Who's Sandra's voice?
I don't know.
It's probably Sandra's. What is Sandra's voice?
Slow him down, guys. Nap time for River still. Char McGillicuddy.
Stop calling her that.
Call her in.
You're Char McKenna.
You should call her Violent. No, Violet.
Is she being violent?
No,
Charlie, your mom.
her name is. She calls herself Violet, but Layla says Violent.
Aww. Charlie popped it.
No, Charlie didn't pop
Hey.
it.
Will you sing the Tiger King rap? Carol Baskin. Tell me that it didn't.
Daddy,
pass.
watch how satisfying this is.
I'm
You're
going to
right.
make a big stupid.
You want to
I'll
try
make.
this?
No.
Do this one.
No, she's only 4 years old.
River likes this, don't you?
Only in the toy one.
Carol Baskin.
You're like a farmer with that pipe.
A farmer?
Yeah.
Don't I look like a gentleman or a professor?
No. Actually, you kind of do. It kind of reminds me from someone from a movie. Like a spy. Oh,
Yeah.
did it! I did it! Yay! Bubble.
Don't pop it, Charlie. Don't you dare. She's got a slime glove. Charlie's got a slime glove.
No, I got a slime. I got slime. I'm in jail.
Does that
And then
does not make y'all's hands turn red the way it did River?
It kind of does, just like a little bit on my fingers.
Carol Baskin.
I think River was allergic to it.
I think River was kind of allergic to it.
Wait. But she ate cinnamon, so she can't.
She can't be allergic to cinnamon.
Well, no, this stuff probably uses like cinnamon essential oils, which is a lot more irritating. Those cinnamon rolls have powdered cinnamon and it doesn't bother you.
Yeah, but it only bothers your nose.
Hey Scarlett, what is that under the chair right there? It's red and black.
I don't know.
What is it? Go look.
I don't
Go
know.
check it.
I'll go look. What chair?
On the floor. Look on the very floor. No, the big brown chair behind you. Between the wall and the chair. Layla found it in 2 seconds. That's that power drill. I was looking for that.
It's
Who put it there?
No, it's for adults. This is how I fixed the cabinets. I was like,
Well, how did it get there? That was Rivers.
Oh my gosh, my bubble's still staying.
Don't pop it, Charlie. You're mad.
I'm gonna pop some. Woo!
You can make your own. You can make your own bubble. Stop saying I'm Nene.
No, it's I didn't.
Are you imitating Charlie? Are you actually imitating Charlie?
No.
She's not. She's not imitating you.
Wait, do you know where Jill is?
Where's Mom? Where's Mom?
oh, she went to go get her nails done.
Oh, wait, she did?
Yeah, like 30 minutes ago. Friendo Comprendos.
I thought she went back into the living room and took a nap.
Oh, no, I think she couldn't sleep, so she went to go get a manicure. I'm the only adult here, and I'm on the back porch. I'll check in with you in a minute.
Scarlett, look. Oh,
It didn't
guys,
work.
I'm going to go and jump on the camera. Oh, okay. No.
But you're going to be jumping on the trampoline.
Okay, I'm fine when I'm
No.
playing with it on the trampoline.
Okay, bye.
Just don't touch the red slime in this box.
We won't. Hey, my tongue.
Okay, just play with your slime and don't touch it.
And you're not the boss.
Or just don't touch.
She thinks she's the boss.
Yeah.
No, don't touch it. She'll notice. She'll look through the window. Look how big it is. Hide it. Right there, so she doesn't see. Hide it like this. Like. She's gonna hit you. She's coming inside.
Oh, she's not.
I thought she was coming inside because she was walking towards the door. She's coming. Wait, did she just lock the door?
No.
Hide it. What's wrong?
It was burning outside.
I didn't. No, not me. Here.
I had a humongous bowl. That's not humongous.
That's all I gave. That's all I had.
And why did you take my slime?
What?
Why?
Oh, I love pork fingers. Yeah, what? I love pork fingers.
I'm getting here. I'm getting here and I can hear it.
No! We haven't eaten dinner yet. Because we haven't eaten dinner yet. Oh my gosh, look, it's still in my slime. Guys, look.
Hold up.
You already had 5 chocolates.
Yeah.
So you can't have this much treats before dinner. I'm going to wait till it's big enough.
This is so tight. Where is the lid to this?
I don't know.
If I can't find it, I'll find the lid.
She's making. Are you making a mold?
Yes, I'm trying to make mold.
So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!